This is special structure which is known as human structure, where head is up, spine below, and all organs are hanging down. This is like a reverse tree. In the tree, root is underground and everything is up. In our case, root is up, all things are towards earth. This structure is having a special character to learn and teach. Everybody wants to become teacher, therefore there are so many teachers. Even a small child, when a small child is learning something, all the time trying to teach. This is our nature. But when we learn incorrectly and we start teaching that, then we are caught in network of illusion. That network of illusion is called birth and death. What was the tradition in India? In ancient human civilization everywhere? First learn and experience truth, then start teaching. Then you will not be caught in the network of illusion. Otherwise, many times when we decide that we are teaching correctly, and if it is not correct teaching, then life after life will live in illusion that we know the truth. Therefore, what is the highest philosophy? Whatever you listen, whatever you read, try to live that philosophy. Moment what you know, what you are reading and listening, if you follow it in day-to-day life, then you will know this is truth or not. Therefore, this is very important that this special structure where head is up, spine below, is having complete experimental structure. If you are learning anything and you are teaching anything without doing perfect experiment, without knowing it, this is called living in illusion, which is known as a specific term, Mriga Marichika. That having illusion that we know the truth. All the time, why we are searching it? Why we want to listen and we want to read? We go here and there. It is because our deep desire is to get knowledge of all kinds, to get power of all kinds, to get eternal peace, infinite joy. And nobody like death. We are searching immortality. And when we feel some problem, then we start praying to God intuitively. We are searching God. We are searching God with form and God without form, in 2 dimensions. This is what we are doing it. Kriyaga meditation explains very clearly that if you practice Kriyaga meditation, then in one lifetime you will get everything what we are searching from life after life, life after life. You know, today is Deepavali festival. This is called Light and Sound Festival. And what is this light and sound? Why we celebrate it? And what is Deepavali? Try to understand it, then we will realize we do not know truth behind Deepavali. Moment we know the ultimate truth behind this Deepavali, then what is the important point? Then we will know truth behind Christmas Day, Holika Parv. There are so many religious festivals on this earth. Then you will know everything. Then what we will know? Each and every religious festival is explaining truth. What is that truth? Truth is very simple. What we are searching, we have it. We are searching God with form, we have it. We are searching formless God, we have it. We are searching power, knowledge, peace, bliss, we have it. We are searching immortality, we are immortal. But we are not having faith in this. Therefore we need practice. Let us think of this Deepavali festival. What is this Deepavali festival? One day before, we celebrate Dhanteras. What is Dhanteras? What is called Dhan? This is called the name. In India, Dhan is associated something which is present inside. With that thing, we are talking, we are using our eyes and ear, we are working, we are thinking, we imagination, everything is because of something which is present inside, which is known as Dhan. That is called complete treasure, perfect treasure, complete riches. That is known as technical things, life force. What is that life force? Life force means power of soul, intuition. That is called Kundalini power. That is called complete unit of knowledge, omniscient consciousness, omnipotent consciousness, complete unit of power, eternal peace and bliss. Therefore, Dhan is known as something which is present inside. When that disappears, then what we call in India, Nidhan. Nidhan ho gaya means death happens. Nidhan means death. And we celebrate here Dhanteras. Teras means 13th. When we concentrate on self, we start searching the truth, then we realize within there are 14 universes, 7 hell and 7 heavens. 7 hells and 7 heavens, altogether 14 universes. When we keep on concentrating on self more and more with the true thought, idea and concept, then we are experiencing 14 universes within. 13th is called 6th heaven. There are 14 universes within. When you feel their presence, then 13th is having a special character. That is called heaven number 6. That is known as Tapolok. Sphere of infinite patience. Sphere of infinite patience means now you have lot of patience. You will never feel boredom. You will never feel defeat. You will never feel that I cannot do it. This is a very, very important point. We must realize it. That Dhanteras means riches. When you keep on concentrating Kriyaga meditation, the moment you experience 14 universes within, then we name 13 is sphere of eternal patience, Tapolo. Moment you get this riches, which is called eternal patience, then next what you will get? Deepavali. Deepavali means light festival. Then you will say, I am the light. What Jesus Christ explained, I am the light. What does it mean? Now after 13th universe, now we are entering into 14th. That is sphere of truth. That is sphere of truth is called 7th heaven. Moment you realize is sphere of truth, then what you realize? That within head and spine there are 7 important places. 7 important places. They are known as wisdom center. One wisdom, one omnipresence, omniscient, omnipotent consciousness is manifesting in 7-dimensional structure. That is known as 7 stars inside, 7 candles, 7 churches, 7 sealed books. All these different names are given. Therefore, in the Deepavali festival, we have 7 lamps. One lamp is big one, and all 6 are smaller. This is called a ritual we practice, but we do not know real meaning of it. The moment we know real meaning of Deepavali, real meaning of Dhanteras, then you will know what is the real Christmas. Then you will know Holika. You will know all religious festival. They explain the same thing. Moment you know one, then you know all. When you will know all, then what you will say? All are explaining the same thing. Holika is the same as Deepavali. Holika, Deepavali is the same what is Christmas festival. All are the same, there is no difference. When we have dip in the Holy Ganga, that is the same. Practicing Christmas Day, that is the same Holika, that is the same Deepavali. But we do not know it, therefore we have different things. Having dip in the Ganga is different, having dip in the Sangam is different, having dip in Triveni is different, Holika is different, Deepavali is different, Christmas festival is different. This is such big illusion, I am telling you. And we are caught in the illusion, this is magic show. That everything is one and we saw many. Kriya Yoga meditation promises that when you practice sincerely, then you will realize ultimate truth, then you will be fully satisfied, then you can sit in a room 1,000 years without feeling boredom. You will never feel loneliness. You will never feel lack of peace, lack of knowledge, anything. Therefore, promise from this moment that we will learn Kriya Yoga meditation and we will experience ultimate truth, that all religious festival which we celebrate on this earth all represents one.